Hello, Eric Nervise here, or they call me Teacher Eric. I'm a teacher here at Kids Gallery for 8 years now. I've been teaching courses in musical theater from junior up to gold. And one of my qualifications here is I'm also a music teacher, and I always use music or guide the kids with me playing the piano. Sometimes I also take videos and also make music and arrange music. And I also use that in my class so that kids will be able to enjoy more in the class with me. You can also see me in different centers. I usually teach here in Kowloon Tong every Tuesday and Wednesday, and also in Causeway Bay every Friday and Saturday, and in Bel Air every Thursday. I also teach in Yau Tong, Chunwan, and Shek Mun. See you all here at Kids Gallery.